The correct answer is letter C. We are not meeting right now.
The correct answer is letter A. They are not watching TV.
The correct answer is letter B. Mom and Dad aren't cooking dinner now.
The correct answer is letter C. Victor is not doing his homework.
The correct answer is letter A. David is at his desk, but he's not working.
The correct answer is letter A. I'm on the phone but I am not talking to my boss.
The correct answer is letter C. Look, the dog isn't barking.
The correct answer is letter B. Sam isn't lying to you.
The correct answer is letter A. Ben and Jim aren't wearing ties today.
The correct answer is letter B. We're at the store, but we're not buying anything.
The correct answer is letter C. I am not waiting for anyone.
The correct answer is letter B. They're at the cafe, but they're not drinking coffee.
The correct answer is letter C. I'm not keeping the secret.
The correct answer is letter A. We're not growing vegetables this year.
The correct answer is letter B. The dog is outside, it isn't coming inside the house.
The correct answer is letter B. We're in class, and Maria isn't paying attention.
The correct answer is letter C. I'm at work, but I'm not writing emails right now.
The correct answer is letter A. She has a mystery book, but she's not reading it.
The correct answer is letter B. Everyone is in the office, but we're not starting the meeting yet.
The correct answer is letter C. The phone is ringing, but I am not answering it.
The correct answer is letter B. Chris is in bed, but he is not sleeping.
The correct answer is letter A. We're at the airport, but we're not leaving yet.
The correct answer is letter A. The teacher is talking, but the students aren't listening.
The correct answer is letter C. The cat is in my room, but it's not lying in my bed.
The correct answer is letter B. I'm at the gym, but I'm not exercising right now.
The correct answer is letter A. They're on vacation, but they aren't relaxing and they're not taking photos.
The correct answer is letter A. We're at the restaurant, but we aren't ordering food and we aren't staying here for long.
The correct answer is letter A. She's at the party, but she's not dancing because she's not feeling well.
The correct answer is letter B. She has her phone, but she isn't picking up or calling back.
The correct answer is letter C. The kids are fighting, so they're not getting on their phones and they aren't staying up tonight.
Hey English Go Getter, you finished the quiz. Don't forget to download the free worksheet for extra practice. And share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video.